Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my lace frontal wig series, and this is episode 2 where I'll be showing you all how to dye hair black using watercolored method. I'm sure y'all watch a few videos or many videos on the watercolor method where you use boiling hot water. Either you boil it on the stove or use the hot water from your faucet for this method. Here I have all the things that will be needed for this tutorial. I have 3 bundles of 22, 24, and 26 inch body wave. I also have my 14-inch lace frontal. The knots already bleached. I also have the Revlon number 10 black color stick, beautiful color, permanent hair dye, and a pair of scissors to cut this off. Now cupcakes, as you can see, I have my boiling hot water on the table. I'm gonna push this aside a little bit. And I'm going to mix it all around. Ooh, this is super black. This is getting really black. Now it's time to drop all these in. First I'm going to drop my lace frontal in. So I'm going to drop all these bundles in it. Looks like it turned black. It looked black. You see the final product. So I'm gonna leave this in this boiling hot water for about 25 minutes just to be on the safer side. Due to the fact that I'm using permanent hair dye, and this is my first time doing the watercolor method. The watercolor method is just leaving it for a few minutes and then it's done, but I really want this to take and really want it to set, and I don't have anything to do today, so 25 minutes the most, and then I'm gonna check it out. So cupcakes, I'm back after eating lunch because I was getting hungry and 25 minutes was enough time for me to eat lunch, okay? So now I'm about to show you all a little glimpse of how it looks. It's really dyed. This is black. As you can see right here, this is jet black. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. So now I'm going to wash this out. This time I'm going to wash this out using cold water from the tap, and then I'm going to use my VO5 Pomegranate Bliss moisturizing conditioner with grapeseed extract. No, you do not use shampoo after you dye your hair. You use conditioner and cold water. If you want to deep condition after, you can deep condition. So cupcakes, here you can see I have my bundles are on the line to dry faster. These are the 3 bundles and the frontal. Yes, and all this sun utilizing. Now it's drying super fast. Now cupcakes, with this lace frontal, I had to re-bleach the knots of this lace frontal due to the water dye method. The dye ended up going onto the lace. Using the water dye method with permanent hair dye is not approved, but with semi-permanent hair dye, when you dye in your hair of your frontal, is approved. It was worth a try, so I loved it. I love how it came out pretty good. So I'm done, so I see you all again until my next video, and stay tuned for episode 3 in my lace frontal wig series.